Well, hello. This is Nikki. We met her a few weeks ago when she kindly showed us the unicorn cake recipe.
It was a cake.
And we just filmed a toffee apple cake recipe, which is decorated with toffee apples. So we thought it might be nice for Nikki to show you how to make toffee apples. So over to Nikki.
Let's do it. First thing you need, obviously, apples. I've got 200 grams of caster sugar in a pan.
Yeah.
And that is literally all you need.
What's up with these apples?
Oh, well, these apples are actually called tiddly poms. Got really small apples. These are good for decorating cakes. And they're so little. They're really small. They're tiddly. We are gonna put some sticks in them first, just so it's easier to dip. So literally, just where the stem is. Stem?
I believe it's called a stem.
Yeah, that thing. Poke it in, not all the way through, so it's like sturdy and you can dip. Okay. So, we're sticked.
We're all sticked.
We're all sticked, we're all good. So, next bit is all the fun and also all the danger. So, if you're young, have a responsible adult. I obviously have Cupcake Jemma.
I'm here, I'm the health and safety officer.
This isn't plugged in.
Damn it, hang on.
And you want it on a low to medium heat at first. Give it a good shake every now and then. Have a wooden spoon with a decent length handle.
That's a handle?
That's a handle. Just so you're not too, your hands in the pan. And just give it a good mix every now and then. You don't have to stir it, but just shuffle it about. When your sugar's melting, you will occasionally get big chunks where you think, oh my God, it's crystallized, it's fine. So I've actually got some in here now. They're literally just chunks of sugar. It's crystallized a bit, but where this is so hot, just give it a quick little stir, get it all incorporated, and it will all come back together. It has totally caramelized, it's like liquid sugar. Do not touch it. This is hotter than the sun. Technically it's not, but...
How hot is the sun though?
That's a good question, Gemma, and I don't actually have the answer right now, but I'll get back to you with that.
Thank you.
But what I like to do is actually pour it into a smaller pot, just because this pan's quite wide and I won't be able to dunk my apples completely. So when all of your sugar's in, you want to work quite quickly because one, sugar's hot, and two, it will set really quickly. It's hot, you want to just get it done. So, holding your apple at the stick quite high up, you're just going to dunk it. Woo! I like to just go around a few times, just because it's fun, and then just hang it over the top. Give it a little twist. Try and get as much of the excess off as you can, and then just pop it on. If you've got a seal pat, great, or greaseproof paper's fine. Basically, you just want it to not stick on your work surface. So there you go, that's how you make a cheeky little toffee apple. I would eat it, but I have literally just whitened my teeth and they are so sensitive.
I'll eat it.
Come on then, here she is.
It's been literally years since I ate a toffee apple, but here we go.
Oh no! Oh my God. That crunch is literally the sound that you want. You've got 6 to eat, Gemma.
I can't.
You can. I literally can't. My teeth are gonna kill me.
Make sure you give these a go. And don't forget to try them on the toffee apple cake.
Yes.
Bye.
Bye. Is it nice?
Kind of healthy.
Yeah, it's an apple. That's fruit, mate. That's good for you.